Living in Palmetto Bay, Florida, means enjoying scenic ocean views, a laid-back lifestyle, and a tropical climate. However, those same coastal benefits come with challenges: high humidity, salty air, intense sunshine, and hurricane threats. In this environment, investing in high-quality windows isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for homeowners who value comfort, protection, and energy savings. Combating humidity and salt air. Palmetto Bay's location along the coast means your home is constantly exposed to moisture and salty breezes. Low-grade windows often suffer from corrosion, frame warping, and seal failure in such conditions. When seals break, condensation builds up between panes, reducing visibility and energy efficiency. Over time, this leads to mold growth and expensive repairs. High-quality windows built for coastal climates use corrosion-resistant materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and specially treated aluminum. They are designed to withstand high humidity without swelling, rusting, or deteriorating. Premium sealing technology ensures moisture stays out, helping maintain a dry and healthy indoor environment. Withstanding hurricane season. One of the biggest concerns for Palmetto Bay homeowners is hurricane protection. Tropical storms and hurricanes can unleash devastating winds and flying debris. Basic windows are rarely up to the task. Impact-resistant windows, made with laminated glass and reinforced frames, offer critical protection during a storm. These high-quality windows are engineered to remain intact even if struck by airborne objects, preventing dangerous breaches that could lead to catastrophic internal pressure and roof damage. Many insurance companies even offer discounts to homeowners who install impact-resistant windows due to their proven safety benefits. Improving energy efficiency year-round. Palmetto Bay experiences long, hot summers with high air conditioning demands. Low-quality windows are poor insulators, allowing heat to transfer into your home and forcing your cooling system to work harder. Modern, high-performance windows feature double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulating gas fills like argon or krypton. These features significantly reduce heat gain, helping to stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Over time, the savings on your utility costs can help offset the initial investment in premium windows. Moreover, high-quality windows also reduce UV radiation from entering your home, protecting furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading and damage. Enhancing comfort and noise control. The coastal environment brings not only heat and storms but also noise, from waves, traffic, and neighbors. High-quality windows are engineered for acoustic insulation. With multi-pane construction and tightly sealed frames, they can dramatically reduce outside noise, offering a quieter and more peaceful living space. Additionally, superior insulation prevents uncomfortable drafts and hot spots, ensuring your home remains evenly cooled in the summer and warmer during occasional cool snaps. Boosting curb appeal and home value. Beyond functionality, high-quality windows elevate your home's aesthetic. With customizable options in shape, size, frame color, and grille pattern, you can enhance architectural beauty while boosting resale value. Potential buyers in Palmetto Bay often prioritize homes with modern impact-resistant and energy-efficient windows, making this upgrade a smart long-term investment. Final thoughts. In Palmetto Bay's coastal climate, The windows you choose can either be a source of continuous frustration or a solution that delivers comfort, safety, and savings. High-quality windows are engineered for resilience, resisting humidity, shielding against hurricanes, cutting down on energy use, and enhancing daily life. If you're considering a window replacement or building a new home in Palmetto Bay, prioritize window performance just as much as style. Your future self, and your property value, will thank you.